Inquiry Committee report public.
All Meghalaya Upper Primary and Secondary Deficit Pattern Teachers Association kala Pynlong yaka program ay Khublei State Convention Center Shillong ban itu ya ka Jingïalang beteng jingkersan jang sarkar jela ha ka puli puthi ka Jingïalang kala penparu ya ki Jing'e ki baladon da ki post nem ha ka tanat puli puthi kentop ya ki mat ki balane ha do lai post nem tam bat kala rakhe ka Jingïalang ha padang ki Nonghikai bat ka sarkar ha ka banweng ya ki Haba ay Jingïalang ha kani ka Jingïalang kumukang san Menteri rang ba ka jela ukan rat ke sangma ula banjur ba ki program kum ka Meghalaya Education Grant ki tmu tang ban kentiu henrei ban penhe pensan ye ki nong shang shnong ki badan ka jingkit kli.
It is our responsibility now to ensure that we are able to create better citizens, more responsible citizens for our country. That's really what our ultimate goal is. We're doing a lot of things for education, but we want the quality of education to go up. It's not just about the pass percentage, with due respect. Yes, we want pass percentage because that was something we were concerned about. I was concerned about. But that is only half the way forward. There is a long journey ahead of us. Because at the end of the day, it's not about just the pass percentage, but it's about the quality of the education and the quality of the human being that comes out of our schools once they pass on to schools. So all of this is our responsibility.
Ka Jingja accident kali ka bas ngosi harendang briu